It's extremely hot outside and nobody wants to spend time in the kitchen. So I have some really exciting recipe for you all the way from Uttarakhand. Have you ever heard about Kumaoni Raita? I don't think so. So let's get started. We are going to start with mint leaves, coriander leaves, and garlic. We will add a little bit of jeera and some salt and coarsely ground this into a paste. So now we are going to grate 2 cucumbers for this amazing Kumaoni Raita. So while grating the cucumbers, I have a very interesting story to share with all of you. So for the first time, I had this amazing Kumaoni Raita at my friend Yojna's place in Dehradun. I remember it was one summer afternoon where I was traveling all the way from Chandigarh, and I remember I was just bearing that unbearable heat. And this raita was like a big relief for me. I couldn't resist, but I had to go to Yojna and ask for the recipe. So here, it's all about sharing this raita recipe which I learned out of a good friendship. Now we are going to squeeze all the excess water of cucumber and add it to the whisk yogurt. As you can see, this is coarsely grounded and I am going to add this in the beaten yogurt. Now we are going to mix everything together. I can already see this coming up so nice and so refreshing. Wow. So while making this Kumaoni Raita, we have to be very careful about balancing it right way. I have seen many people adding green chilies to it. I don't prefer that much heat in my raita. For that, I have not added it, but you can definitely. Also, as you can see, there is a creaminess to it. So you have to make sure that the raita is not runny. And as you saw earlier, I've also removed the water of cucumber. So that's how the taste will be intact and it will be an amazing side dish to any of your thalis. Now, the most exciting part of making this Kumaoni Raita is giving the tempering of jhakia seeds with some sun-dried red chilies. I'm adding a little mustard oil here. Many of you often ask me what is jhakia. Well, these are the wild seeds which are available abundantly in Uttarakhand. But if you don't get jhakia seeds, you can definitely use mustard seeds. We will mix this and refrigerate it for some time and serve chilled with a favorite sabzi and roti or even a favorite pulao. Finally, our Kumaoni Raita is ready. And you know what? The best part is you can have it anytime, any day with your favorite meal. I personally enjoy this with mandua ki roti and aloo gutke. Yes. This is Chef Sherie. You are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried. Signing off for now.